hiring is the most important and the most difficult aspect of building a sales organization. There's a few philosophies that I operate under. The first is I never hire just one as an experiment. The problem with hiring one salesperson, even if you're a smaller company, is that you either end up with a false positive, you have one person who's better than everybody else at doing it, and then you think you should scale, or you end up with a false negative and you give up. I always recommend starting with 3 salespeople. And to Kevin's point yesterday, having a tremendous amount of drive, which is optimism, competitiveness, and need for achievement, is super critical. Hiring is the most honest predictor of sales success within an organization, in my opinion. Training, important. Product, definitely important. You don't have a business without a product. But hiring the right people for your company, and there is no universally right salesperson. There are different types of salespeople for different levels, different processes, enterprise sales, mid-market sales, SMB sales, transactional, long sales cycle, etc. But doing it right is the most important thing, and doing it wrong is the most expensive thing. Kevin said yesterday that a mishire is 3 to 6 times the cost of the salesperson, their base salary. And I see it at the very highest end of that, because it's not just the cost of the failure, it's the cost and time sink of you not being able to get your product and service to market with the right salespeople. So hiring is the most important part of selling. There are 2 other prongs. The technologies that you use, that's the business I'm in now, right? Once you've got the right people, you've got to provide them with the tools and resources to be successful and efficient, and use data to drive sales. And then the third, of course, is training, but more importantly, coaching, ongoing coaching of salespeople, reinforcing positive behaviors and removing the negative behaviors.